This is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the graphite color, 128 GB storage. This is the renewed version here. Anytime I could pick up a renewed electronic, I always go with that option because they always come very nice. You can see here the quality is really good. No issues with the screen. The screen is really nice, and it's just it's overall in very good condition. It does come with just the charging cable here, so you will need to get your own charging block. But overall, I'm very happy with these. Again, it's the 12 Pro Max. You could see here this is like the flat one. If you have the 11 or earlier one, it's got the rounded edges. 12 was the first one where it has the flat edges, similar to the newer ones as well. Same, I believe it's like 6.7 inches tall, but really nice items here. Apple iPhone Pro Max 12, and this is renewed. So definitely, if you're looking for an upgrade to the 12 with the new new frame on here, this is a really great pickup here. This is the graphite color, 128 gigabytes. Really nice item.